Import products to spaces. Import products spaces command gives possibility to import products from linked LindQST project and Indoor Climate Designer to Revit spaces. Open the plugin and select Import Product to Spaces. Select and add desired products to the project. You can configure shown products one by one, or apply changes to all of them by clicking Select All. Choose between ventilation systems or cooling system settings. Configure height level, in this case we will change it to 3210. Now the products have been placed automatically in the right position.